Leaf rally started today, bratans. I explain you exactly why and also my trades, what I'm doing. So let's go here right now and I explain you why today the relief rally is starting. I am right now here on the daily, and you see what you see. You see here a big symmetrical triangle. And what you see, if I'm zooming a little bit in, you see we are broken outside of this symmetrical triangle, right? And if we are closing this daily here clearly above, like it's right now seems, right? It's only 13 hours to go. Then this is a clear sign for the relief rally, which will start, which I speaking since days. I mean, since days I speaking about this relief rally and people laughing about me, shitting in my face, bratans. But, and now it comes the surprise, I am at the moment in a short position. I am right now in a short position. One position is $280,000 short position with $140 right now in profit, 2.5%. And the second position is right now around $303,000 in contract size, $148 in profit, right? 2.2%. So right now I'm in a short with over around $600,000 short. Why I'm in a short, I tell you in a second. And by the way, bratans, yesterday I had already a short open, which I closed and then in profits. And right after I longed and also closed today in the morning this long position. And right now I opened a short. If you're a little bit confused, bratans, everything I'm showing here in my Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. Here I showed you that I opened my trade. And here you see, wait a minute, I show you here, you see that my longs, which I closed, you see closed long. Here's one position, $1,100 in profit. And here was, wait a minute, here's the second position. So over $2,200 profit I did already in the morning. And right now I'm open the short. And yesterday I closed my longs in profits and told you also here looks like a double bottom, maybe even a long opportunity, right? Here I told you yesterday even about this long opportunity in the evening, bratans. Don't forget, if you want to join this Telegram group, you can just do it by signing through my Bybit link. You have to, only what you have to do, it's absolutely for free, this group, bratans. Here, you sign in, link in the description through my Bybit link. And after $500 initial deposit, you get a free access to my Discord and Telegram channel here, which I showed you here, right? Which I showed you here. You get absolutely free access. And also in my Discord channel, you get a free trading course for beginners and for advanced traders. If you want, you get absolutely for free. Only what you have to do, register through my Bybit link, make $500 initial deposit. You don't have to use this in deposit for trading or anything, and then you get access to my Discord and Telegram channel. So now let's speak about why I am in a short, even though on the big picture we are in a clear here breaking up, and I'm expecting here relief rally to 30k. So why? Because if we are zooming in right now, bratans, what I did, I showed you before, I long Bitcoin, right? I long Bitcoin from this yellow line, like I explained you also yesterday. From this yellow line up, I long Bitcoin exactly to this red line, right? So this was an amazing long opportunity, and this red line was very clear for me because you see here, it's a lot of resistance, and here you have support. So this line was drawn yesterday before we retested it. And so it's amazing TA from Slavik Younger. So I did here took my long position. And right now what we created again, if I'm zooming here on the 15-minute, I'm zooming a little more in, we created a bearish pattern, a double top right now, right? So, and if we are watching right now, on 15 minutes, right now we are getting neutral. However, on the 1 hourly, if we are watching on the 1 hourly, we are heavily overbought. You see, we are heavily overbought on the 1 hourly. And if we're watching on the 4 hourly, we are also heavily overbought. And not only this, we have also a big bearish divergence on the 4 hourly. You see, the RSI is going up while the price here is going... wait a minute. While the price is going down. You see it, right? I mean, it's a little bit confusing. Sorry for that, bratans. But yes, you see it. And also, we see also on the 1 hourly, our dump money, smart money indicator. This is the red line here. the dump money is very bullish right now. You see it here, right? If the red line is above what we see usually a dump in the Bitcoin price, because dump money thinks we are going to the moon. So on the 1 hourly we see it, and we see it also on the 15 minute. You see usually what happens after dump money is very bullish. Here you see it, dump money is bullish, 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 and what happens with the price? Here you see it above. What happens with the price? The price is bam, going down, right? So therefore right now I'm expecting here that we will go down, and my price target is here. I'm right now in a short, and my price target is here again, this yellow line at least. So at 16,760.70, so approximately 16,760. And if we break, in case we are breaking this yellow line to the downside, then my next price target would be here, this blue line. So if we're breaking this yellow line to the downside, we could retesting this blue line at 16,600. You see it's a big here support. So it's 16,600. If we break this blue line, then we could go even to 16,400, and 16,400 is a pretty it could happen easily. Why 16,400? Because we could have here a small fake out to the upside right now, you see, and then we would retesting here 16,400. You see on the daily, this purple line is also perfectly matches with our 15 and 1 hourly chart frames. You see here a big support. You see here support, and you see here big support. So we could retest before we see a big pump to the upside, because the whales would obviously liquidate everyone who is getting right now bullish, and then we see a big pump. Because right now what I don't like at all is on the 4 hourly. I don't like at all this that we are heavily here. Wait a minute, that we are heavily overbought. You see on the 4 hourly heavily overbought. I want to cool down. Therefore, I'm at right now in a short at until 60,770 at least. And maybe if we're breaking this yellow line downside, I even add to my short position. However, there are several to understand, so that you understand. So sometimes I'm a swing trader. Swing trader means that I'm trading over days. Sometimes I'm a day trader. I'm trading within a day several times. So like yesterday, for example, because some stupid guy in the comments wrote, he closed his long and open, he closed his short and opened long. Obviously, if you would be in my Telegram group, you would see it, because I give you if I closing my trade and open a long, if I taking profits, I immediately writing when I'm doing it, not somebody who's hired. I think I'm the only one who doing this. Doesn't matter. So sometimes I'm trading within a day several times, sometimes throughout the days, right? So within several days. So in a week, I doing one trade and I hold it for over days, right? So right now, to understand for you, if you want to follow, you can join my Telegram group, like I explained you, through Bybit link, $500 initial deposit, and so on. So right now, there's two options. Either, and you have to decide by yourself, either you go for a swing trade, and for swing trade, my opinion, it's not a financial advice. For swing trade, what you can do is to set your stop loss below 16,400. Obviously, it's not possible if you are going 50x. It's only on 10x or 20x possible. Your stop loss, in my opinion, not financial advice, should be below 16,400. So in the big picture, I'm pretty sure that we will see Bitcoin right now pumping. The first price target, 18,000. Will be 18,200 approximately, because there's coming a big resistance. It was previous support, will be resistance, 18,200. So all in all, this will be at least right now a trade of 18,000 of 8.3%, right? So for swing trade, but this could maybe happen tomorrow or in 2 days, I don't know. So we could see retest of this 8,400 and then a pump, right? So this is option for swing trade. Your stop loss has to be under this purple line, so under 18,400 or even 18,300. Another option is this, what I'm doing right now here. If we are watching on a 50-minute, I do a trade, several trades throughout the day. So what I'm watching right now for cooling down of the RSI here on the 15-minute. I want to see it a little bit more oversold, and also the 4 hourly, and wait a minute, I have to zoom out. Also the 4 hourly RSI and 1 hourly, and I will take profits here at 16,770 at this yellow line, and then I will watch what is happening. And either if we are further breaking down, I open even a bigger short, or if we are bounce on this yellow line, I will open immediately a long. So I will close my short here in profits with around again $2,000 in profits, and then open immediately a long if we see a bounce, right? This is a second option, but you have to decide for yourself what you are doing, bratans. I mean, this is your decision. And if you want to learn how to trade, if you are a beginner or you want to improve your trading skills, if you're advanced traders, you can do it on my Discord channel. You have the trading course, which is absolutely for free. You learn, you can retest yourself. It's absolutely for free. What you have to do, you make a registration on Bybit. Here's link down below. Make $500 initial deposit on your account, USDT or Bitcoin, or I don't know what you want, and then you get an access to my Discord and Telegram channel for the trading course and for my signals. So if I closing trades, opening trades, you get news and so on and so on. So right now again, my short my short is right now $140, 2.4% in profits, and the other one is $140 also in profits, 2.2%. So this is what I'm watching right now. Obviously, if we're breaking above this red line, which is here, if we're breaking above this red line here, then I will open immediately a long, right? So if we will not retest this yellow line, right? Because this red line is a big here, it's a big resistance line. You see a big resistance line. See resistance. So if we break to the upside, then I go long. And right now I have very great news, bratans, because for Ethereum, for my Ethereum traders, bratans, look at this. We have here on the daily, you see here this big resistance line. You see resistance since 2021 November, resistance. And right now, as Bitcoin pumping, as Bitcoin is preparing for the relief rally, we broke perfectly. You see, I didn't redraw this line. You saw this line was for several days. We broke this to the upside. So if Bitcoin will close today bullish, we will see Ethereum also go for a run. So Ethereum, I'm expecting to go from here to at least the first price target $2,000, the next one $2,500, at least 100%. This is the reason why I'm at the moment buying heavily on Bybit Ethereum, because Ethereum, in my opinion, will in the next bull market outperform Bitcoin. Bitcoin, yes. So therefore, if you want also to buy Bitcoin, you can do it here on Bybit if you want, right? So very clear, bratans, in my opinion. If you have any questions, write me down below or in the Telegram group. I see you in the Telegram group. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.